If I'm feeling adventurous, I might even try to sort out the rough idle, which is odd really, because there isn't a massive amount of information out there on the internet about rough idle. There's a lot of people asking the question, but not many answers. And having concluded the best and everything that I can from all the sources that's available, I'm going to start with the EGR gasket on the back. Now, if you remember, we did all a bit on the front, which is the cooler and the main bit. The actual valve is on the back. I don't know whether I'm going to get under there and have a look. If it can be reasonably easily removed and whatever, I've got the gaskets, we're going to have a crack at that. If not, we're probably going to have a crack at it anyway, but I'll cry. Anyway, let's have a crack. But I tell you what, if we get this off, because the other thing is taking that off will actually free up some space, because we can have a look inside the manifold a bit better then, and maybe pull some of the gunk out as well. Yeah, we can have a go at that. I think stop us having a go at that. Let's have a crack. But it was the right call to get that out of there. There's two Torx flat those screws, which I'm going to undo next, and then I'm going to see where we're going with it, because I don't know if I can just take this straight off. This is going to turn out to be significantly easier than I thought, but I thought, let's just keep on doing stuff and see what happens. Oh my Christ. Oh. Oh. Right. Okay. Where's the gasket? Whew! I'd like to say I knew enough about it to tell you, or to tell myself, what needed to be done, but the truth of the matter is I don't. What's he doing here? What the? Get in there. Well, that looks really good. Oh, well, it would appear that what we've done has cleared that. Right, okay. Oh, yeah, okay, I'm happy putting that back in there. Right, let's check the gaskets we got. So the gasket is actually on there, it's that metal plate. Okay. Oh, there's no issue with the throttle body. Not that I can see anyway. So, see what RTV we've got. Because we need a very, 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 very small amount. I need another one, which is going to be this. We might have fucked up there. Oh, hello, hang on. Huh. Cheers, Dad. Done it again. Oh, he done it again. Check that reinstallation. Yes, it is.
I only
bloody useless. Why is it there? Well, what do you know? No pulsing. I'm pleased with that. Obviously, we'll need to see how it goes out in the real world for a bit. But if that's fixed that's a really, really, really positive step, because there's no way on the internet that says, actually, this will fix this. Good. I'll let it run for a bit. See how it works out, see how it warms up. Doors open. And we'll get all this put back together. It's alright, that.